welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. As you must have guessed from the title of the video that today I am going to share with you my top 5 favorite liquid lipstick formulas that are suitable for every weather, and these lipsticks according to me are quite suitable for everyone out there. Even if you have dry or chapped lips, you can very easily carry these lipsticks, and these formulas do not make the lips dry at all. So without blabbering any more longer, let's get into the video. So starting with the first liquid lipstick that I really like in terms of its formula is the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick. So I have two versions of this liquid lipstick. One is a full size and the other one that I have is a mini size. So अगर आपको 500 या 550 rupees spend नहीं करने हैं, so you can definitely go for the mini ones. And these I think retails for rupees 239 or 240 somewhere around this. So these are quite cheap. मेरे पास ये तीन liquid lipsticks हैं from the same range. First one is 01 Bombay. This is the full size that I have, and the other two are the mini ones. The first shade that I have is 05 Madras Kapi, and the other shade that I have is 16 Boho. तो इन सभी लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स में मेनली आपको मेरे पास न्यूड शेड्स ही मिलेंगे बिकॉज आई एम मोर ग्रेविटेटेड टुवर्ड्स द न्यूड शेड्स. आई फर्स्ट शो यू अ swatch and then we are going to discuss what all its formula is like. As you can see, it was opaque in just one swipe, and this is the shade Bombay, and this is what I have on my lips today. Now coming on to its formula, it's a very comfortable liquid lipstick. As far as the opacity is concerned, you can see from the swatch, this was opaque in just one swipe. और इसको dry होने में approximately 50 to 60 seconds लगते हैं, but once it's dry, it does not transfer at all. As you can see, it's completely dry, and I'll just show you the transfer proof test. It has not transferred at all. तो ये बिल्कुल भी ट्रांसफर नहीं होती है, and it lasts on my lips for around 5 to 6 hours, and it does not dry out my lips at all. Although हल्का सा लगता है कि हमारे लिप्स पे कुछ है, but it does not feel like a traditional liquid lipstick जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा drying होती है. And in fact, sometimes some liquid lipstick starts to peel off our lip skin as well, the dead skin, whereas it doesn't do all that. So as far as this liquid lipstick is concerned, I really like it. It's very affordable. You can go for the mini ones as well if you want, and you can definitely wear it any weather, be it summer, winters or monsoon. ये बिल्कुल भी dry या chapped feel नहीं कराती है lips पे, and even if you wear it in winters when our skin is already dry, still it does not make our lips extremely dry. But yes, you need to exfoliate your lips beforehand you are applying it because you need to remove the dead skin from the lips. So that's one thing you need to keep in mind. Apart from that, anyone can wear this liquid lipstick. It's a thumbs up from my side. And now I'm going to swatch all the other shades that I have. I'm not going to show you the lip swatches because it's going to be irrelevant because today we are talking about the formula. But yes, I'm going to just show you the hand swatches of all the shades that I have. And you must have seen me swatching these lipsticks before also क्योंकि मैंने इस पे एक complete review video बनाया है. I have compared it with the Stay Quirky liquid lipstick, so you can check that comparison video. I'll link it here in the I button for its complete review. So yeah, that's that, and I'll just show you the colors. This is the Bombay shade. This is the shade Boho, which is a mauvey pink shade. And this is the shade Madras Kapi, which is a very beautiful true brown shade for medium skin tone. So yeah, that's the first liquid lipstick that I really like. Moving on to the next liquid lipstick, I think I have raved about this liquid lipstick a lot on my channel, and this is the Lakme Absolute Matte Metal Liquid Lip Color, and it's in the shade 03 Vintage Pink. नाउ ये मैंने आपको अपनी आई थिंक टॉप न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स में भी दिखाया था क्योंकि मुझे इसका शेड बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था. एंड नॉट ओनली द शेड, आई रियली लाइक इट्स फॉर्मूला एज वेल. आई जस्ट फर्स्ट शो यू द स्वॉच. इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट एंड यूनिक शेड, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. दिस इज द शेड विंटेज पिंक. As you can see, it is a bit shiny right now, but जैसे ही ये dry हो जाती है, it settles matte on the lips. और इसका फॉर्मूला इनफैक्ट मुझे नायका के मैट टू लास्ट लिक्विड लिपस्टिक से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. ये उससे भी ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. इवन इफ यू समटाइम्स फॉरगेट टू एक्सफोलिएट योर लिप्स, तब भी ये लिप्स पे बिल्कुल भी क्रबल्ड नहीं लगती है, एंड इट डज नॉट एग्जैजरेट द फाइन लाइन्स ऑन द लिप्स. एंड ये भी आई थिंक 50% ऑफ पे अब आजकल मिलती है. इट रिटेल्स फॉर अराउंड समवेयर अराउंड 400 और समथिंग. सो इट इज़ एन अफोर्डेबल लिक्विड लिपस्टिक, एंड इसका फॉर्मूला थोड़ा सा लिप क्रीम की तरह मुझे लगता है. ऑल्दो इट्स नॉट अ लिप क्रीम, इट इज अ लिक्विड लिप कलर, बट इट इज अगेन नॉट लाइक अ ट्रेडिशनल लिक्विड लिपस्टिक. बिल्कुल भी ड्राइंग नहीं है. इनफैक्ट इट्स a bit hydrating as well on the lips. So if you have dry and chapped lips, you should definitely give this one a try. And you can definitely wear it in any weather. ये lips को बिल्कुल भी dry feel नहीं कराती है और देखने में भी बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है कि हमने कोई liquid lipstick लगाई है. So it's a very comfortable liquid lipstick. So this is my second pick. Moving on to the next liquid lipstick. This is again something that I have reviewed a lot on my channel. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Catsuit Liquid Lipstick. Again, I have two shades from this. This is the shade Missy and Fierce and this is a nude shade Give Me Mocha. और ये मेरे पास 2018 से है and it is still standing as one of my favorite nude shades in terms of the shade and in terms of the formula as well. इसके बारे में भी मैंने काफ़ी रेव किया है previously. I'll first show you the swatch and I think it's about to get over because I have used and abused this shade like anything, and I'm just going to swatch the other shade as well. So this is the shade Give Me Mocha and this is the shade Missy and Fierce. Now talking about its formula, it's again one of the most comfortable liquid lipsticks that you can ever come across. और ये भी बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल कैटेगरी की लिक्विड लिपस्टिक है और ये भी बिल्कुल नॉन ट्रेडिशनल लिक्विड लिपस्टिक है. बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि हमने लिप्स पे कोई लिक्विड लिपस्टिक लगाई है. यू नो, लिक्विड लिपस्टिक स्ट्रेचेस आवर लिप्स एंड इट मेक्स आवर लिप्स फील ड्राई एंड समटाइम्स आवर लिप्स अपीयर्स ऑल्सो ड्राई, बट इसके साथ ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. हाँ, स्टार्टिंग में जब तक ये ड्राई नहीं हो जाती है, वेरी स्लाइटली इट फील्स अ बिट स्ट्रेची, but once it dries then you are not going to feel as if you have applied a liquid lipstick. In fact, ये बिल्कुल भी feel नहीं होती है lips पे. I sometimes even forget that I have applied anything on my lips. It's so comfortable on the lips. It does not transfer and be it any weather, winter, monsoon or summers, it is going to stay put on your lips no matter what unless you remove it. But yes, if you eat anything oily, it will start to break down like any other lipstick. और कोई भी weather हो, you can easily carry it. I have used and abused especially this shade a lot in all the weathers and it has never disappointed me. So again, this is one of my favorite liquid lipstick in terms of the formula. The next liquid lipstick which is in my top 5 in terms of the formula is the NYX Lip Lingerie and this is in the shade Exotic. I'll first show you the swatch and I have included this also in my top 5 nude lipsticks, not just because of the shade but also because of its formula, and I have been using it a lot since I have got it. I think it's been more than 1 year since I am using it. So this is the shade. This is a peachy nude shade. Now this is something which is above 500. So if you don't want to spend above 500, you can go for the other options that I have told you in the first 3 options. But if you can spend above 500 like 600 or 700, then you should definitely give it a try. Now if I talk about its formula, it is again one of the most comfortable liquid lipsticks. I know I'm repeating the same lines again and again, but it is one of the very comfortable formulas that I have come across. If I compare it with my Lakme liquid lip color, then I think it's a tad bit drying, but not drying as drying in the real sense, but yes, it's like 5% drying if I compare it with the Lakme one. Otherwise, जैसे कि traditional liquid lipstick होती है, ये बिल्कुल भी वैसी नहीं है. It's extremely comfortable. It will give you the feel that you are applying a liquid lipstick. Like it's not going to budge, it does not transfer, it stays on put for a very long time. Even if you eat or drink something, it does not wears off instantly. बहुत ही slightly fade होती है, but it will not make you feel as if you have applied something heavy on your lips like the traditional liquid lipstick makes us feel. और ये सारे ही जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, ये सारे ही traditional liquid lipstick की तरह नहीं है. They are very comfortable on the lips and anyone can use it in any weather. So yeah, again coming on to this one, a must try if you are fond of liquid lipstick and if you can spend above 500 or 600. So yeah, that's that. Now moving on to the last liquid lipstick which is in my top 5 according to the formula. This is something that I have come across very recently, just a couple of months back, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Lipstick. And this is in the shade 129 I Lead. So I'll just first swatch and show it to you the shade. This is the shade. It feels like you are applying a tint on your lips. जैसे कि एक लिप टिंट का फॉर्मूला होता है very watery in consistency, ये exactly वैसे ही फील होती है, but इसका पिगमेंटेशन as you have seen, इसका पिगमेंटेशन बहुत अच्छा है. एक बिल्कुल लिक्विड लिपस्टिक की तरह इसका पिगमेंटेशन है. ये इतनी ज़्यादा लाइट है लिप्स पे दैट बिल्कुल ऐसा लगता है इससे पानी को लगाया है लिप्स पे, एंड देन यू जस्ट फॉरगेट दैट यू हैव अप्लाइड एनीथिंग ऑन योर लिप्स. सो इट्स दैट कम्फर्टेबल. इवन लिप लाइनर भी इससे ज़्यादा हैवी फील होता है लिप्स पे, तो इसको तो कोई भी लगा सकता है. आई थिंक अगर आपके ड्राई और चैप्ड लिप्स हैं एंड इफ यू हेट लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स एंड यू फील दैट लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स मेक योर लिप्स ड्राई, you should definitely go for this one. I know it's a bit on the expensive side. It's I think somewhere around 700 or 800. I don't remember the price. I'll mention on the screen. But if you want to buy only one liquid lipstick out of all these, I think you should go for this one because इससे ज़्यादा light formula किसी भी liquid lipstick का अभी तक मेरे पास नहीं है. I have a lot of liquid lipsticks. I have a lot of other lipsticks as well. Be it any weather, you can apply it and you will forget that you are applying anything on your lips. So yeah, this is my last and my most favorite liquid lipstick in terms of formula as for now. So yeah, that's that. So those were my top 5 liquid lipstick formulas in the affordable category, and you can wear them in any weather, be it winter, summers or monsoon. They are suitable for all weathers, and I think for all of you guys out there who are not comfortable wearing liquid lipsticks, you should definitely give a try to any one of these. You will not be disappointed. So that's all about this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, give it a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. I'll see you soon next time with some other video. Till then, bye bye.